If you want to kickstart your vlogging journey or up your filmmaking game, here are 5 essential tools that we recommend to get you started. Audio is by far the most important variable when it comes down to a video. You can have very good audio and bad video and it's still watchable. However, never the other way around. So our first essential tool is getting a good microphone. We recommend the Rode Wireless Go, which is a compact wireless lapel system which will allow you to plug onto a person and have a cable-free wireless system with pretty good audio quality. Once your audio is crystal clear, the next thing you need to worry about is having a good consistent light source. That's why we suggest getting an external light to always have good lighting in your videos. There are 2 things you need to worry about when picking a light, the first being the brightness and the second being color temperature. What we have today is the Sunway FL120, which is a compact LED light which allows you to cycle through multiple color temperatures all the way from cold to warm and give you varying brightness levels as well, so you can balance out your lighting where possible.
This is video test 2. I still am recording with the Wireless Go and I'm now recording with the Canon EOS R, but I just wanted to test out the light. So this is with the light and this is without the light, and again with the light and without.
So now you have your mic and now you have your light, which both mount on via your hot shoe. However, your camera only has one hot shoe mount, so how are you going to get them both on? Smallrig have a really handy tool called the Accessory bracket, which just opens up, mounts to the top of your camera and gives you a large variety of mounting options such as 1/4 inch and cold shoe, so you can get all your accessories on top of your camera. In addition to that as well, it can be used as a grip for your camera if you get a double-sided 1/4 inch mount screw, so you can mount your GoPro or your phone on to have as a little handhold grip. So now you have all these accessories on your camera, which adds some extra weight, and you need a way to relieve your wrist or just have a more comfortable way of supporting your rig. That's why we suggest the Joby GorillaPod 3K, as it has a large weight payload of 3 kilograms to hold your DSLR or mirrorless kit, but also gives you a variety of ways to use the tripod. For example, you can tilt the legs and bend them so you can wrap them around certain objects such as poles. Alternatively as well, you can bend the legs and use it as a grip so you can have some better vlogging angles. And lastly, to carry around all your bibs and bobs, we highly recommend grabbing a low pro Gear Up Tech pouch to cleanly and effectively carry around all your little accessories. And as a bonus, if you do decide to vlog or create content with your mobile phone, you can grab one of these Manfrotto twist grips, which basically clamps your phone and attaches it to any 1/4 inch connection, so you can attach it onto your tripod or even your 3K GorillaPod. Alternatively, Joby do a pretty cool mobile rig, which will allow you to mount your phone onto a GorillaPod and also give you multiple mounting options for cold shoes, so you can mount on shotgun microphones or even lights onto your rig. And finally, if you are using a mobile phone, make sure to get the right adapter, such as the Rode SC6L for iPhone users, or even a USB-C to 3.5mm jack if you do not have a headphone jack on your phone, so you can mount those external audio options. If you have any questions on any of the products we've listed today, pop them in the comments below. Make sure to follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, as well as our blog to stay up to date with our latest events and what's going on in store. And as always, if you enjoyed our video, hit the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future updates as we upload videos weekly.